A captivating introduction to Sri Lanka.
Welcome to the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka, a jewel-shaped island nestled in the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is a captivating destination that offers a mesmerizing blend of natural beauty, rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. With a history spanning over 2,500 years, Sri Lanka boasts a legacy shaped by ancient civilizations, colonial influences, and indigenous traditions. From the awe-inspiring ancient cities of Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa to the magnificent rock fortress of Sigiriya, remnants of this remarkable past are scattered throughout the island, inviting you to step back in time and unravel their mysteries. But Sri Lanka isn't just about its historical heritage. Prepare to be enchanted by its breathtaking landscapes that encompass a diverse range of ecosystems. Immerse yourself in the lush green tea plantations of the Central Highlands, where misty mountains and cascading waterfalls create a serene ambience. Explore the golden sandy beaches that stretch for miles along the coastline, offering tranquil spots to bask in the sun or indulge in thrilling water sports. Venture into the wildlife-rich national parks such as Yala, Udawalawe, and Wilpatu, where encounters with majestic elephants, elusive leopards, and a myriad of exotic bird species are waiting to leave you awestruck. As you traverse the island, you'll encounter a tapestry of cultures and traditions that coexist harmoniously. Sri Lanka's cultural mosaic is reflected in its UNESCO World Heritage, listed temples, vibrant festivals, intricate craftsmanship, and delectable cuisine. From the sacred temple of the tooth in Kandy to the colorful processions of Isala Perahera, from the skilled artisans crafting exquisite batik textiles to the tantalizing flavors of spicy curries and aromatic teas, Sri Lanka captivates your senses at every turn. Beyond its natural and cultural wonders, Sri Lanka is a land of warm smiles and genuine hospitality. The genuine warmth and friendliness of the Sri Lankan people, coupled with their willingness to share their rich traditions, create a welcoming environment that makes every visitor feel at home. Whether you're seeking an adventure in the wilderness, a tranquil escape on the shores, an immersion in ancient history, or a cultural journey like no other, Sri Lanka promises to be an unforgettable destination that will leave you yearning for more. So get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey to Sri Lanka, where paradise awaits to reveal its wonders and create lasting memories. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe, share,